No, está bien. Alright, we're here serving breakfast in more of a downtown area of Chalco this morning. And things have gone from peaceful when, you know, where's the help from outside exactly for the first week or so of the flood to mass chaos. See, they're giving out vaccines over here on the street, and they put down this white stuff on the street which is supposedly helping to clean things up, but it's also kind of chokes you. And it's raining for the first day since the flood, which I'm not sure if the timing is very good or not. Because in a way you want to wash things off, but I think they're still shoveling up so much stuff that it's not exactly a good time for more rain. Anyway, we're just about to pack things up here, so just wanted to show you it's a drastic contrast from how deserted everything was a while ago. And of course there were several feet of water on this street. And now people are shoveling up the muck and getting the garbage out of their houses and trying to get things organized again. So it's been pretty crazy down here today, but there's so much to do. Crazy in the street here. There's horses, there's construction vehicles. I'm not getting very far here. I'm trying to get back to where the breakfasts are so I can pick everything up, but I'm not sure how it's going to work. Todavía hay comida, hay frijoles.
¿Y le muevo los frijoles?
Oh, qué rico.
¿Ah?
Food's almost gone, but there's still a little left. It is a miserable day out there, and we're getting another soaking of rain in dry season. As long as it's not too much, I don't think people will be too worried about flooding, but it makes things miserable, and it makes it difficult to clean up a lot of stuff, like this lady's trying to do here.